Ang hirap talaga ang pamumuhay dito sa probinsya. Sana papalarin yung ina-applyan ko patungong abroad para sa pamilya ko. Kailangan talaga makaahon kami sa hirap, lalo na itong asawa ko na batang bata pa. Kinakailangan talagang tapusin niya ang kanyang pag-aaral. At itong anak namin, palakihin ko siya ng maayos.
Gang, may tawag.
Okay na, okay na. Ito na siguro yung baback up sa atin patungong abroad. Hello pre.
Handa ka na ba, pre?
Parang pinagandaan ko na to pre. Ano, okay na ba yung mga papilis ko dyan?
Ready na lahat yung ano dito. May passport na tayo. Sa dokumento na yung kulang. Yung dokumento mo.
Ganun ba? Okay pre. Oo, nakahanda na lahat yung mga gamit ko pre. Ito na po yung matagal ko nang hinihintay.
Ay, nalagot tayo lang. Kami nalay mabilin sa mong anak ni
Dili, kinahanglan yun ka mularga ko. Para sa imong kugmaon, bata pa biya kaayo. Tagaan ka na ako panahon nga matiwa sa imong eskwela.
Ug madayon manggani ka gang mag-amping ka ha. Napabaya kay balikan diri.
Just landed 25 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain.
Filipino guy? Yes sir, I'm a Filipino sir. Okay. You're our new employee here our company. Yes sir, I'm willing to work in your company sir. Okay. You're a working person? Yes sir, from the Philippines I'm working for my family. Okay. Boss, I think he is a hardworking person boss. Okay, come, follow us. We will bring you to the...
Tara na guys, alam mo ba? Nasa abroad na yung asawa ni Mari.
Oo nga, uy Mare, blow out ka naman
Oo,
dyan.
sige. Delivery ko kayo.
Saan tayo napunta ngayon?
Sa mall.
O, let's go, tara!
Hey, good Filipino. Yes, sir. What are you doing? Sir, I'm done, sir. No, that is not accepted here. No, you came here to work, but you always here. Yes, sir. I'm sorry, sir. No, sorry. No, your sorry is not accepted here. You work. Your work is to good everything. Do your work properly. If you do not do your work, I will kick you out. I will send back to you in the Philippines. Kick me out, sir. Oh, yalla. Do your job. You make me hungry, You're very, boss. You're too much giri-giri, boss. Okay. Do your job. I will came back to you. Don't do your job. You know that's the consequence. Alright?
Promise sir, I'm doing my job sir.
Okay. Work! Yala!
Hindi pala biro ang pangarap ko dito sa abroad. Halos init, pagod at uhaw yung nararamdaman ko dito. Pero hindi bali yun. At least nakapagpadala na ako sa pamilya ko.
Malayo. Hindi lang, Mare. Oo nga, baka may iba na yun. Oo, baka meron na.
Hindi naman siguro, Mare.
Sure.
Yes.
Baka may binabahay na yun doon.
Huwag naman siguro, Mare.
Ilang taon na ba siya doon, man?
Mag-iisang taon na.
Ay, tagal na.
Na, may 1-year-old na yun doon.
Huwag naman, ano ka ba?
Tay, lagi na si mama. Lagi na si mama, iniwan ako. Tay, uuwi ka na sa Talbando Oriente. Nangyaris na kita.
Hey! What country are you?
Came from the Philippines.
Ah, so you're Filipino.
Yes sir.
I like your body, huh?
What do you mean?
You have a nice body. I will invite you to my house.
For what?
I will give you another job.
What about my job?
No, your job is not enough. I will give you another source of income. Come here.
Really?
Don't worry. Come here. Come here. Come here.
What about this?
No, you don't need that. Throw it. Come, come, come. What are you doing, man? Hey, what are you doing? Take off your clothes now. You are very crazy, man. Do you want to go? I want to go. Faster! Take off your clothes. No. I will just test you. Faster! Now. What are you doing, man? Okay, take off your pants. Faster!